Welcome back to Crafted by Ray. Today I will be opening up this box. It has a Dewalt Cordless Palm Sander in it. Model number DCW210B. For random orbital sander. That's it. Now, I've been wanting one for a long time and I finally got one. Let's see what's inside. Alright, I got out of the box and it's actually really light. I like it. It fits good in the hand. I'm going to put a battery on and see how much more weight it adds. It's not too bad. Variable speed. Stops pretty fast. I think it's going to be a great sander. Slower speeds are for softwoods. Faster speeds are for hardwoods. I'm gonna get a pad on it, do some sanding, and see what happens. So the sanding worked out great, just like any other palm sander without a cord though, and I really like it. I've gone to a lot of jobs where I had to run somewhere and just go sand something really quick and not have to bring an extension cord is nice. If you guys found this video helpful, please subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you next time with another Crafted by Ray video.